Welcome to the National Science and Math Quiz. Today's contest is the 6th in the 1A stage of competition, and it's between Adisadel College and Prempeh College. Today's contest, the 6th in the 1A stage of competition, is between Adisadel College and Prempeh College. The colleges are here. On my left is Adisadel College, represented by
Azu Emmanuel Mensah, 3rd year.
Emmanuel Kojo Awuti, 4th year.
Boache Herbert Kofi, final year.
You are very welcome, gentlemen. About Adisadel College. The school is located in Cape Coast. It was established in 1910. The motto is Vel Primus, Vel Cum Primus, meaning either the first or with the first. It's a boys' school, and the school has participated in the National Science and Math Quiz right from the beginning. The gentlemen have a message which is identical to what they had when they appeared last time. With God, they are taking the cup to Santa City. Best wishes at Adisadel College. On my right is Prempeh College, represented by
Prince Matthew Bisa, final year.
Enchi Derek, final year.
Nkrumah Agent, final year.
You are very welcome, gentlemen. Prempeh College. The school is located at Sofo Line, Kumase. It was established in 1949. Their motto is Subani Nimdie, translated literally as character and integrity. They have participated in the National Science and Math Quiz several times right from the beginning, and they have actually won twice. 1994 and 1996. Their slogan is Amanfo. They also have a message. The gentlemen say, God is able. Best wishes. Contestants, this contest comes to you in 4 rounds. The first round is our round for fundamental concepts. Questions in this round are simple and direct. We expect simple and direct answers. You have 1 attempt in which to present your answer. If the answer is correct, 3 points. If the answer is incorrect, it's passed on to the opposing school for a bonus point. Partial credit is sometimes possible. Best wishes, and let's start on my left with Adisadel College, but we will have a preamble before I go to you, Adisadel. Find the image of the given point after reflection in the given line. So I will give you a point, and I will give you a line. You are to find the image of the point after reflection in the line. I hope that's fine. All right, Adisadel College. Your point is A with coordinates -3, 2, and the line is y-axis. Yes, Herbert.
3-2.
3-2 is right. Prempeh College. Your point A has coordinates -3, 2, and the line is y is equal to x. Derek.
2 minus 3.
That's right. Adisadel College. How high will a 5-gram pebble rise if it is launched vertically with a catapult whose string has elastic constant 20,000 Newton per meter and is stretched 1 centimeter? Please give me your answer in meters. Yes, Aute.
1,000 meters.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Yes, Matthew.
100,000 meters.
No, that's not right. The right answer is 20 meters. 20 meters. Your own question, Prempeh College. What will be the deflection of a vertical spring of stiffness 200 Newton per meter if a 1-gram mass falls on it from a height of 1 meter? Please give me your answer in centimeters. Yes, Derek.
20 centimeters.
That's incorrect. For bonus. Herbert.
10 centimeters.
No. The right answer is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Adisadel College. Finished cement contains 2 main compounds. Please name any one of them. Yes, Azu.
Silicate. That is silicon 4 oxide.
No, for bonus. The right answer is calcium silicate. CaSiO3. Calcium silicate. Prempeh College. What substance is mixed with alumina to reduce its melting point during its electrolysis? Yes, Eugene.
Molten cryolite.
I'm not giving it to you. Yes, Azu.
Sodium cryolite. Molten sodium cryolite.
I wanted the chemical compound. Na3Al F6 trisodium hexafluoroaluminate 3. Adisadel. A mature ovule that contains an embryo with stored food enclosed in an embryo known as. Yes, I will.
A seed.
It's a seed. Prempeh College. Why are actresses nuisance to the timber chant?
Very famous roots. So it's like they compete with timbers for interest and they set penetration of the roots of.
No. For bonus. Yes, Azu.
The barriers that side is very irregular. So when the timber cutter is cutting, it means you will not get a uniform. So it means you will get a shorter timber. That is the uniform part to be very short.
Yes, that's true. A man borrows 50,000 Ghana cedis and is required to pay 51,000 Ghana cedis in 6 months for both the loan and the interest. What is the annual rate of simple interest? Yes, Azu.
5%.
That's incorrect. For a bonus. Yes, Derek.
4%.
4%. Your own question. A man borrows 30,000 Ghana cedis from a bank at a simple interest of 10%. If the loan is due in 3 months' time, what is the total amount to be paid? Yes, Matthew.
45,000.
That's incorrect. For a bonus. Yes, Awute.
32,500.
No. The right answer is 30,750. To both schools. A solid rotates at 2 radians per second about an axis. Its moment of inertia about that axis is 10 kilogram meter squared. I hope you got your preamble. Adisadel, what is its angular momentum? Herbert.
20 rad per second squared.
2 out of 3. For the wrong units. 20 kilogram meter squared per second. With the same preamble, Prempeh College. What uniform torque will bring it to rest in 1 second? Yes, Derek.
20 Newton meter.
Yes, I'll give it to you. I had to convert your units. Kilogram meter squared per second squared, so it's Newton meter. Adisadel, define standard enthalpy of combustion of a substance. Yes, I would take.
Standard enthalpy of combustion is the amount of heat released when 1 mole of a substance is burnt in excess conditions under standard excess oxygen under standard conditions of 298 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure.
Yes. What is an endothermic compound? Yes, Eugene.
An endothermic compound is a compound whose formation requires energy from the environment, such that during its formation it absorbs energy from the external environment.
2 out of 3. There was a key thing that was missing. Formation from the elements. You know you can form compounds in different ways, but formation from the elements. Which layer of the skin binds it to underlying organs? Yes, Herbert.
Quantified layer.
That's incorrect. For a bonus. Yes, Derek.
The adipose tissue.
No. The right answer is the subcutaneous layer. The subcutaneous layer. Your own question. Which component of blood fights diseases? Yes, Derek.
The white blood cells.
Yes. Evaluate. Log to the base 2 of 96 minus log to the base 2 of 3. Yes, Aute.
5.
5 is right. Evaluate. Log to the base 3 of 405 minus log to the base 3 of 5. Yes, Derek.
4.
4 is right. Preamble to both schools. Preamble to both schools. You have 20 solar cells, each of which generates an average of 0.5 volts on a sunny day. This is your preamble. Now, at Adisadel College, how would you electrically connect the cells to charge a 9-volt battery? I would say.
You connect 10 of the solar cells in series and you connect 10 in parallel.
That's incorrect. For a bonus. The right answer is to connect all 20 of them in series. Connect all 20 in series. With the same preamble, Prempeh College. How would you electrically connect the cells to power an electronic appliance which requires 5 volts? Yes, Eugene.
By connecting all 20 solar cells in parallel.
No, that will not do it. For a bonus. Yes, Herbert.
You connect 10 in series parallel to another 10 in series.
No, that will not work. The right answer is to create 10 parallel combinations of 2 cells. 10 parallel combinations of 2 cells and then connect those in series. Your own question, Adisadel. Phenols can be tested with 1% FeCl3 solution. State the expected observation for a phenol. Yes, Awute.
You expect a precipitate.
For a bonus. Yes, Matthew.
There will be a precipitate with rust color, bluish brown.
No, no. You will expect to see a blue-black coloration. Prempeh College. Phenols can be tested with bromine water. What is the expected result for a positive reaction? Yes, Matthew.
The bromine water will be decolorized, meaning colorless.
2 out of 3. Yes, you are right. There will be discoloration of the bromine water, but you will also see white fumes. White fumes in addition to that. Which of the forms of bacteria are shaped like rods? Azu?
Bacillus.
Yes. Which of the forms of bacteria are spherical in shape? Yes, you did.
The coccus.
Yes. To go through, I will give you a sentence. Please complete the sentence. Please complete the sentence. A compound statement that is always true is a... Yes, Awute.
It's a tautology.
It's a tautology. A compound statement that is always false is a... Yes, Matthew.
It's a converse.
That's incorrect. For a bonus, I would take.
It's a contradiction.
Yes, it's a contradiction. Your own question. How many cubic centimeters of water are required to make an ice cube 10 centimeters on the side if the density of ice is 0.9 gram per centimeter cubed? I would say
1,000 centimeter cube.
that's incorrect. For a bonus. The right answer is 900 centimeter cubed. Your own question. If a floating iceberg protrudes 200 meters above water, approximately how far down is the bottom? The density of ice is 0.9 gram per centimeter cubed. I want your answer in meters, please. Yes, Matthew.
10 meters.
That's incorrect. For a bonus, I would take
4.5 meters.
no. The right answer is 1,800 meters. Your own question. What is the quickest way of preparing 0.15 mole per decimeter cubed HCl solution from 0.25 mole per decimeter cubed stock solution? Quickest. Yes, Herbert.
Madam, you take 0.6 decimeter cube from the 0.15 mole of the HCl and dilute it.
Insufficient information. For a bonus. Yes, Matthew.
You take half of the 0.25. Now, you take half of the 0.5 mole and you add 50 cm cube of volume to it in a 1 decimeter cube.
No. The easiest way to do it is to measure 15 centimeter cubed of the stock solution and dilute it to 25 centimeter cubed. That's all. Prempeh College, your own question. What is the quickest way of preparing an insecticide of concentration 23 parts per million from a stock solution of 54 parts per million? Yes, Eugene.
You take 31 parts per million of the insecticide and you add distilled water to form 54 parts per million. To form 54 parts per million.
No, for bonus. Yes, Herbert.
You take 23 parts per million of the stock solution, then you dilute it with 54 centimeter cube.
Oh, you were so close. And yet, so far, you actually take 23 centimeter cube, not parts per million. You take 23 centimeter cubed of stock solution and dilute it to 54 centimeter cubed. This one did not require any calculations. I saw so many things going on, writing and calculating. Last pair of questions. Which class of the phylum Annelida are known as marine worms? Yes, Eugene.
Polychaeta.
That's right. Your own question. Snails and slugs belong to which class? Yes, Eugene.
Gastropoda.
That's right. That's the end of the first round. At the end of the first round, Adisadel College has 22 points, Prempeh College has 24 points. Round 2. This is our problem of the day. A single problem is going to be presented to both schools. You have 3 minutes in which to present a single answer from your school. Good luck. Let's turn over a sheet and read the problem of the day together. Problem of the day. I have a very nice structure. A nice structure. First part, identify the structure. Second, identify the parts labeled A, B, C, and D. And finally, describe the function of the structure. This is your problem of the day. Good luck. You may begin. Thank you. Please present your answers on the boards. contestants have presented their answers. Before we award the marks, let's look at the ideal solution from our consultants. First part, the structure is the longitudinal section of the digestive system of a ruminant. The parts, A is the rumen, B is the reticulum, C is the abomasum, and D is the omasum. Now, how the whole thing works. During the first phase of feeding, grass is collected and churned together with saliva in the rumen. When the rumen is full, the animal stops feeding and grass is regurgitated for fine grinding in the mouth. Partly digested food from the rumen passes through the reticulum into the omasum, where excess fluid is squeezed out to form a semi-solid mass. This then enters the abomasum, where it is acted upon by HCl and pepsin, as in the case of food entering the stomach of other herbivores. This is the ideal solution from our consultants. Now the contestants. The contestants did very well. They identified the structure. They knew the various parts. The description was slightly short for both schools. The function where fluid is squeezed out in the omasum was missing. That was the only thing that was missing from both schools. So I am happy to award both schools 9 out of 10. Well done. That's the end of round 2. Round 3. In this round, I'm going to be throwing statements to the schools. When you receive your statement, please consider it carefully and let me know whether the statement is true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you lose a precious point from scores you have already accumulated. You may choose not to respond, in which case the statement will be passed on to the opposing school for the benefit of the full 2 points. Good luck. Let's begin this time on my right with Prempeh College. Your statement. Every integer can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. Awute.
It's false.
It's false. Your own statement. A prime number has exactly 2 prime divisors. Awute.
It's false.
False. The diagonals of a kite bisect each other perpendicularly. Yes, Derek.
True.
No. The diagonals of a rectangle are congruent. Azu?
True.
Yes. Although cycloalkanes are saturated compounds, they can show cis-trans isomerism. Yes, Derek?
True.
Yes, true. 2-propanol and 2-methyl 2-propanol belong to the same homologous series. Yes, Azu?
True.
Yes. Oxygen has a higher first ionization energy than nitrogen. Yes, Derek?
False.
False. First ionization energies decrease smoothly down a group of the periodic table. Yes, Herbert?
It's true.
It's true. In humans, blood pressure increases as blood flows from the aorta into the various arteries and arterioles. Yes, Derek?
False.
False. The right side of the human heart contains oxygenated blood? Azu?
False.
Birds have more efficient lungs than humans. Yes, Derek?
True.
True. Veins have valves that prevent the backward flow of blood. Yes, Herbert?
True.
The electrical resistance of a metal increases as temperature is increased. Yes, Derek?
True.
Yes. The electrical resistance of a semiconductor increases as temperature is increased. Yes, Azu?
False.
Last pair of statements. Last pair. A magnetic field does zero work on moving charged particles. Yes, Derek?
False.
No, Derek. The magnetic force on a moving point charge can be zero at locations where the magnetic field is not zero. Yes, Herbert?
It's true.
Yes, it's true. That's the end of the third round. At the end of the third round, Prempeh College has 41 points, Adisadel College has 49 points. Final round. In this round, I'm asking the schools to solve riddles. I will read out the clues. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. If you solve it on the second clue, 4 points. If you solve it on the third or any clue after that, 3 points. When you are ready to solve a riddle, you have to draw my attention. You do so by ringing your bell. May I hear your bell at Adisadel College? Thank you. And yours, Prempeh College. Thank you. When you ring the bell, it means your answer is ready. I will not wait for you. There are 4 riddles in all. First one. There are 2 of us, like a pair of fraternal twins. One of us is an array of numbers. If you add the term of one, you get the other. Examples of us may be described as linear and exponential, or AP and GP. Yes, Awute?
Series.
We continue for your benefit. Dealing with us involves finding a general term and sum of a number of terms. Who are we?
Sequence and series.
Yes, that's right. I read all of my clues, 3 points. Next riddle. I am an electrical instrument. Although I can be used for quantitative measurements, I am frequently simply used as a detector. I am made of 2 conductors. One of the conductors is usually very thin, so it's called a leaf. Yes, go ahead.
Gold leaf electroscope.
Sure. Yes. They solved the riddle on the 4th clue, 3 points. Next riddle. I am a constant. I do not associate with the strong and rich in my society, but with the weak. I remain a constant only at a constant temperature. I measure some equilibrium processes of some compounds in water. the compounds must have an electron pair. By looking at my size, you can tell if a compound is the compound involved is a good team player or not. So who am I? Yes.
PK.
Go ahead.
PK.
No, that's incorrect. Yes, Derek.
The acid dissociation constant, K.
No. Anyone? The right answer is actually the base dissociation constant, KB, not KA. Final riddle. I am a unicellular organism, but I occasionally occur in chains. Go ahead.
Spirodara.
No. For your benefit, my cell wall consists of 2 silica impregnated valves. I occur in both fresh and marine water, but I am particularly abundant in colder marine waters. In fact, as a rule, the colder the water, the greater my numbers. I am a popular tool for monitoring environmental conditions, past and present, and commonly used in studies of water quality. My fossil deposits can be processed to give a hard powder used in filtration processes and as an abrasive. So who am I? Yes, Herbert.
Blue-green algae.
No. Another opportunity for those of you there. No takers. The right answer is the diatom. Diatom. That's the end of the 4th round. At the end of the contest, here are the final scores. Prempeh College has 47 points. Adisadel College has 49 points. Prempeh College, thanks for giving us such an excellent contest. It was a very close one. Unfortunately, I had to say goodbye. Best wishes. Adisadel College, congratulations on winning the contest. I shall look forward to seeing you at the next stage of competition. Best wishes. Viewers, we've had a very, very good contest today. We are expecting another good one next time when we bring you Opokuwari School and St. Francis Xavier Junior Seminary. For the 6th contest in the 1A stage of competition. Plan to be with us. You can't afford to miss it. See you next time. Thank you.